Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the display settings on your TikTok account easy and quickly. So first enter TikTok, then go to the profile section, click on these three lines and go to the settings and the privacy, and then here we have the display settings. Click on it. So as you see here, you can turn the display to dark. So here you can also use advanced settings, match appearance to your devices and display and brightness settings. So that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.